So we want to begin by using 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or canola oil, which are your high heat oils. I'm going to go ahead and add that in the skillet. Then we're going to add some vegetables. Feel free to use frozen or fresh vegetables. I'm going to use carrots, onions, and peppers today, but you can always add more vegetables such as mushrooms or broccoli or cauliflower. So I have these already chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the skillet. Today I'm using canned chicken, but feel free to use whatever chicken you would like, frozen or fresh. I'm going to add that to the skillet. I'm going to let that cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to throw in a few seasonings here. I'm going to use the no salt. Then I'm going to use a little bit of garlic powder. Give that a stir. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. And feel free to use like a low sodium teriyaki sauce, or if you like soy sauce, use a low sodium soy sauce, and that's fine as well. You can turn your skillet off and add a little bit of cooked brown rice. Give that one more good stir. And then dinner is ready. A nice healthy dinner with a variety of vegetables.